stocks doing well, some income-seeking investors may see opportunity in equity closed-end funds trading at discount. But don't be hasty. As one analyst put it, know what you're buying and why.
Looking at yield exclusively, which I find a lot of investors do, as the benchmark for whether you're going to buy a fund or not is very risky behavior. So the most important thing about closed-end funds is the same lesson that's true for any investment you might make. Know exactly what it is that you're getting into.
Rice reaffirmed this view at a recent roundtable sponsored by CEF Network. More specifically, he homed in on equity closed-end funds, urging caution to those attracted to yield and discounts.
Equity investments are good for many things, but for steadiness and return and stability, they're not. Today, the average discount of all equity funds is almost 6%, and there are dozens that are trading at double-digit discounts. These large discounts reduce the overall risk, all things being equal, that a fund requires you to take.
But he says it's important to remember that equities may involve more risk, even in a structure designed for income.
If the equity market continues its stellar performance, these funds, as a group, will perform very well in my opinion. That said, I want to reiterate that these funds are not for people seeking stability and consistency. They are for the same investors who would otherwise contemplate buying equity mutual funds, ETFs, or the individual stocks themselves.
As for equity closed-end fund discounts, Rice says he's already seen some narrow and more shrinkage may lie ahead, but that doesn't mean it's time to rush in.
You know, the old saying is, to thine own self be true. Know what you're buying, know why you're buying it, know how it dovetails with the rest of the things you own. I think if you take those rules to heart and you look before you leap, you'll find that closed-end funds as a universe of investments have a lot to offer.
Alex Rice of Stifel Nicolaus sharing a perspective on closed-end funds at the CEF Network Roundtable. Now let's check CEF Connect for a quick look at U.S. equity funds. The Boulder Growth and Income Fund had one of the biggest discounts at minus 22.05%. Its distribution rate, 4.02%. On the premium side, the Cornerstone Progressive Return Fund topped the list with a 21.35% premium. Distribution rate, 17.85%. Thanks for watching. This is Closed End Fund News.